Welcome to Krakow, Poland. We arrived here from Gdansk by train. Krakow, a southern Polish city near the border of the Czech Republic, is known for its well-preserved medieval core and Jewish quarter. Its old town, ringed by plenty park and remnants of the city's medieval wall, is centered on the stately, expensive Rynek Główny, or Market Square. This plaza is the site of the Cloth Hall, a Renaissance-era trading outpost. And St. Mary's Basilica, a 14th century Gothic church. The city, as one of Europe's most beautiful cities, its old town was declared the first UNESCO World Heritage Site in the world, actually. Did you know Schindler's List, Steven Spielberg's movie, shot in the Jewish quarter? We didn't stay here for long because from here we took a bus to visit Auschwitz, although we love this city. Now let's take a look at some photographs. The following photos were taken with Fuji X-T20, edited in Silky Pix Developer Studio Pro with Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! See you in Auschwitz.